Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Toyota Yaris cruise control. First, locate the cruise control stalk, typically found on the right side of your steering wheel. To begin, press the on/off button situated at the end of the stalk. You'll notice a green indicator light appear on your dashboard, confirming the system is now active and ready for use. This initial step prepares your vehicle for effortless highway driving. Once the system is on, accelerate to your preferred cruising speed, ensuring you are traveling above 25 miles per hour. To set this speed, simply push the cruise control stalk downwards to the set position and then release it. Your Toyota Yaris will now automatically maintain this speed, allowing you to relax your foot from the accelerator pedal. It's a simple action for a smoother journey. To adjust your speed while cruise control is active, you have a couple of options. Push the stalk upwards towards Res Plus to increase your speed or to resume a previously set speed after braking. Conversely, push the stalk downwards to Set to decrease your current speed. Each brief tap of the stalk will adjust your speed by approximately 1 mile per hour, offering precise control. When you're ready to disengage cruise control, you have a few easy methods. The simplest way is to press the on/off button on the end of the stalk once more. Alternatively, a light tap on your brake pedal or clutch pedal will also temporarily disengage the system. The green indicator light on your dashboard will extinguish, confirming that cruise control is no longer active.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.